A day after India saw the biggest terrorist attack in the valley, Home Minister Amit Shah visited the Baisaran Meadow, where 28 tourists were gunned down by a group of terrorists who emerged from the dense forest. Now, PM Modi took a short his Saudi trip and was briefed by a high-level committee upon his arrival on New Delhi. Now, Cabinet Committee for security meeting is also expected later this evening as India readies a rightful answer against the masquerade. Now, in light of the current situation in Jammu and Kashmir, DGCA has issued an advisory to all the airlines to increase the number of flights from Srinagar. Samir has more details on this one. Samir?
Because of the Pahalgam terror strike, there is back-to-back important development taking place in the aviation space. Earlier in the day, Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu chaired a high-level important meeting with the airline operators and gave a strong advisory that they need to regulate and monitor the airfares of the flight operating to and from Srinagar. It has been clearly directed by the government that in this sensitive time, the passengers, those who are going to or from Srinagar, they should not be burdened with the higher airfares, and the airfares should be kept in control by the airlines. In addition to this, the aviation regulator DGCA has also issued advisory, and DGCA has directed the airlines not just to monitor the airfares but also increase the flight frequency. The connectivity should be enhanced from Srinagar to other destinations across the country. The airlines have also been advised to waive off the rescheduling or the cancellation of a flight fee for the passengers from those who want to fly from Srinagar airport, and the same has been followed by the airlines. Whether it be Air India Express, Air India or Indigo, they have announced to waive off the cancellation or rescheduling of the flight fee for Srinagar flights, and this is up till 30th of April. In addition to this, there are certain messages which are doing rounds on social media that shows that the airfares to Srinagar, they are quite exorbitant, even crossing 30,000 or rupees 40,000 mark. On this, the airline sources have indicated that this is because of certain cache or the mechanism which is there on the aggregator website. For example, Ease My Trip, Make My Trip. But if you go on the main website of the airlines, the airfares, especially of the economy class, they are quite controlled. It is the average airfare is somewhere around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, and the passengers can book tickets directly from the website. And the airline sources have also said that in this very sensitive time, they are with the government. They are fully abiding by the advisory issued by the government, and they are trying to keep control of the airfares and also looking to enhance the flight frequency for Srinagar.